Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Pragya, an artist and founder of PS Creatics. This video is about the 2021 planner by Factor Notes. They have recently launched these planners and they comes in a variety of covers so you can choose whichever you like. This one was sent to me by the team and I'm absolutely loving it. So before wasting any further time, let's move ahead and open the packaging. Having a planner is must as it makes our life more productive, organized and focused. So here goes the 2021 planner by Factor Notes. So talking about the cover, it's a pastel pink color with a cute flower illustration on the top of it. It's a hard-bound diary which makes it compact and travel friendly. The binding is amazing and the pages are really soft. So this note includes all the features that the planner has and there's a thank you note on the back of it. Now let's open the beautiful planner. The first page of the planner states that this planner belongs to, you can write a name and paste a thumbnail there. So this page tells you about how to use the planner if you're new to using one. Then we have the top 5 goals for this year. Next we have my vision board, my mind map, favorite quotes, days to remember and my improvement plan. You can have body plans, mind plans, relationship plans and work plan. This one is one of my favorite page. Here you have to write a letter to yourself on 31st of December 2020 and read it on the next year 31st December 2021. So in the next few pages you have to write all about yourself, that is, what are you passionate about, your proudest achievements, things you are grateful for and so on. Next we have is meal plan, your ideal day in 2021. You can mention a morning and evening routine here. Next is about the ideal week in 2021. And then comes the 2021 yearly calendar plus a space to jot down a note. I'm really loving these pastel shade pages. So each month is having colorful quotes and motivational illustrations which are really cute. And these planners have these 3 bookmarks as well. First let me show you a few monthly illustrations. And here comes my birthday month. Also this is so cute. So now I will tell you about what all a month includes in this planner. So moving ahead, each month contains monthly focus plus notes, budget plan, shopping list. Then each month we have something fun. For example, January has doodle your feelings. March has unscramble. April is having a fun maze to solve. Then there are more puzzles, riddles and brain teasers. Then again coming to each month, we have weekly overviews, things to remember, habit tracker, top priorities and notes. Then after all the monthly overviews, we have 2021 reading list, learning list, movie watch list, series watch list, travel list and restaurants food list. Then we have the position map which says things I own, things I lent and things I borrowed. Then comes my wish list for 2021, identity card, health index. Then we have annual vacation plan, on vacation plans and vacation packing lists. Then on ending the year on a funny note, we have some cute comic doodles. They have also provided with some dot grid pages for some rough work. They have provided a pocket at the end of the planner which includes the cutest sticker sheets. I mean, just look at these stickers, they're super cute and amazing. These 8 sticker sheets are my most favorite part of this planner. Having planner stickers make our planning even more creative. I just love them. If you like them too, then please go ahead and buy this planner and get these sticker sheets inside. Not the sticker sheets but all the amazing things that this planner includes. Just 1 month to go for 2021 and I think it's the perfect time to invest in such a beautiful planner by Factor Notes. The actual MRP of this product is 2199 but right now they are on a special discount of Rs 950 on Amazon as well as on their website. I have mentioned all the links in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do like, share and comment on this video and follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more updates. Doodles!